Hi everyone, and thank you for watching our video. Today we're going to be talking to you about the different floss products and the proper ways to use them.
So, who should be flossing? And the answer is everyone. Flossing is a very important step that should be included in everyone's oral hygiene routine. Brushing your teeth helps to remove the plaque or food on the tooth's outer surface, but it's also important to remove the plaque and food that gets stuck in between your teeth. So this is why we floss. Starting with young children, once their teeth start to develop, it is important that their parent or guardian begins flossing on their teeth regularly to develop a habit and educate the child towards doing it themselves. Moving on to people with braces, using something such as a proxy brush or the soft picks can make flossing a lot easier to be able to get in between the brackets and in between the teeth. Young adults and adults traditionally can use the typical thread floss, or you can just use any method that is easiest for you. People that have appliances in their mouth such as permanent retainers, crowns, bridges, partial dentures, or anything like that, there is a method for you.
There are many types of floss products that can be used to benefit different individuals' specific needs. For example, floss thread and floss picks are a traditional method used to clean interdentally, whereas proxy brushes and water picks may be used for individuals with braces or people with low dexterity. People often look for the big brand names to help them while choosing a product. Luckily, there are many different brands that offer a wide variety of floss products in store and online. Many I'm sure that you've heard of, such as Oral-B Crest, gum, plackers, and Listerine. For example, Walmart, the one-stop shop, which is actually pretty accurate. Walmart offers an extensive amount of different floss products at an excellent price. Displaying brands such as Oral-B Crest, gum, Equate, Listerine, plackers, and Waterpik, there really are an endless supply of dental material to choose from. With prices starting at approximately $4 for floss, floss picks, and proxy brushes, to water flossers which escalate in price to upwards of $90. Another good place to look for floss products is at Shoppers Drug Mart. Even with only 3 different brands, Oral-B Crest, Gum, and Life, Shoppers is able to supply a pretty diverse display of floss products. Shoppers by far has some of the cheapest options for floss, with Life brand dental starting at $2.50 for floss and floss picks. Bigger brands such as Oral-B and Crest have a shelf price around $5, with bundle packs going up to $10. Shoppers makes it easy to choose a good floss product without breaking the bank. Amazon is an excellent way to buy a number of different floss products in bulk. Although the prices may vary from item to item, there is quite a few different brands to choose from. For example, Oral-B Crest, Gum, Listerine, Plackers, and Dentec. Amazon's prices are greater than both Walmart and Shoppers, however, you often have to buy a bundle pack of 3, 6, or 12. For example, a 6-pack of Oral-B Deep Cleaning Floss is priced at $14. However, you get 120 meters of floss, and you can have it delivered right to your door.
When comparing floss products, there are many different types. So there's string floss, floss threaders, super floss, as well as floss picks. So when it comes to string floss, there are also many different kinds. There's flavored and unflavored, there's waxed and unwaxed, and there's also braided floss for cleaning interproximal surfaces between implants. There's also even floss that contains therapeutic agents such as fluoride. Studies have shown that there are no difference in regards to waxed versus unwaxed floss, although waxed floss may be more beneficial with clients with tight contact areas as the wax texture slides between the tooth surfaces with ease. The price of floss ranges from anywhere from $1 to up to $3 or $4. This mechanism is designed to navigate the floss through those hard to reach or tricky areas and getting around those braces, lingual wires, as well as between the pitonic and abutment tooth in bridges. Prices may range from anywhere from $2 to $6. These prices vary in price according to the brand as well as the store. So now comparing Superfloss. This floss is ideal for clients with ortho, bridges, appliances, and even diastemas. This floss is made out of a combination of spongy floss, regular floss, a floss threader, and a stiffened end to achieve optimal benefits. Benefits of this floss are subgingival plaque removal. This floss also enables you to clean under and around appliances and large gaps between teeth. The price of this product retails for about $6 to $8. So now moving on to floss picks. Floss picks are also known as floss holders. They consist of a plastic tool that uses a C or Y-shaped end to hold the floss and the other end to act as a pick for getting large pieces of debris out of teeth. There are also soft picks that differ in shape, and instead of a string floss at the end, there is a rubber end that is used interproximally. This product is commonly disposable and also is available with a base and disposable floss heads. This product is great for clients who have trouble with long string floss, or even with clients who have a hard time getting their fingers in their mouth. These floss picks are also found to be more convenient and great for on the go. This product ranges from $3 to $8 in price, mostly depending on its quantity.
Some Listerine flosses have active ingredients such as nylon texture multifilament, Pebax multi-brib monofilament, high tenacity polyethylene twisted multifilament, and Oral-B's active ingredients are acetyl pyridinium chloride coating, patented expanded fiber, and filament with polymer coating. Generally, studies indicate flossing help to prevent oral disease and improve oral health. According to the Journal of Evidence-Based Dental Practice, toothbrushing reduced interproximal bleeding by 35%, but the use of dental floss further decreased bleeding by 67%. Also, individuals who exhibited acceptable flossing ability had less plaque and calculus, shallower pocket depths, and less attachment loss than those with unacceptable flossing skill. Flossing is effective in preventing the development of gingival inflammation and reducing the level of dental plaque. Regular use of dental floss reduces plaque and bleeding in adults with gingivitis or slight chronic periodontitis. Also, flossing along with toothbrushing reduces gingivitis compared with toothbrushing alone. The Canadian Dental Hygienists Association position statement show flossing has been shown to be effective in cleaning interproximal surfaces of teeth from the contact point to the sulcus and has not been shown to be produce unfavorable consequences. Also, the ADA has reported that flossing can remove up to 80% of plaque interdentally in a normal dentition. Floss holders, interproximal brushes, and power flosser had all demonstrated plaque removal ability and reduction of gingival inflammation to the same degree as manual flossing. And lastly, behavioral factors including flossing were associated with reduced periodontal disease, and more specifically, that more frequent flossing was associated with less attachment loss.
So floss products are marketed in many different ways. They are marketed through TV commercials, internet ads, social media, and magazines.
Moving on to flossing techniques, I will be doing a demonstration on how to use some of these products. First, I will show you how to use the traditional floss thread. So you want to untwine the floss and wrap it around your middle fingers. And you want to wrap most of it around your non-dominant finger. So because I'm right-handed, I'm going to wrap most of it around my left middle finger. To use this floss, you want to use your index fingers as a guide to push the floss down beneath the gum line. You want to use the floss to go against the tooth surface and create a C shape. Make sure you get both teeth. Once you remove the floss, you want to unravel it from your non-dominant hand and ravel it back onto your dominant hand to make sure you have a clean area for the next insertion. My personal favorite, the water flosser, is great for everyone. To use this, you want to make sure you are over a sink and that water will not be spraying into an electrical socket. The first step is filling the base with lukewarm water or whatever temperature you desire and selecting a tip. To turn the machine on, you flip the switch, but note that as soon as you turn the switch on, the water will start coming out, and pressing the button on the handle will stop the water. This dial here goes from 2 to 10, 2 being the lowest pressure, 10 being the highest. I typically use around 6, but it's up to you to find out what works best for you. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to use the water flosser. So turn on the power, and note the water starts to spray out right away. You can pause until you're over the sink, Then you want to run the water along your gum line and allow it to go in between your teeth. You also want to focus on the surfaces behind your teeth, because that's where a lot of plaque buildup can occur as well.
To wrap it all up, flossing is an essential step in every individual's oral health care plan. It is important for you to do your research to find the best floss product and technique that works best for you. After watching our video, we hope that you have a better understanding of all the different floss products and techniques so you can make an educated decision for your gums. Thanks for watching.
Also, here is a list of our references.